How to delete parental controls on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to remove or delete the parental controls on Android, simply launch the Play Store application. Here, tap on the profile over here at the top right corner. As you do that, simply you need to tap on the settings category. As you tap on settings, tap on the family option. Here, tap on parental controls. Right now it's toggled off, but if you want to toggle off and if it's on, you can just see that. So let us first set the parental controls. So when the parental controls are on, so you can see the content restrictions over here in terms of apps and games and so on. So whenever it is like that, if you want to just turn off the parental controls or delete it, simply toggle off this option, and in order to toggle off, you can just tap on this option, and there you go, you have deleted parental controls on Android. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.